Welcome to my channel. We will see today the automation testing interview questions and answers asked in the Sybase company. Okay. So what is the project and what are the day-to-day responsibilities? Responsibility include understand the requirements, user stories, and the acceptance criteria, and prepare the test scenarios, test cases, and automation candidates. Develop and maintain the Selenium plus Java automation scripts. Use TestNG or JUnit, Maven, Git, and CI and CD tools such as Jenkins. Execute smoke and regression suits and analyze the failures. Log defects, coordinate with developers or BA, and participate in agile ceremonies. New client automation journey. We need to understand the application, what domain it is, the architecture, and the environments. Review requirements and identify the critical business flows. Perform automation feasibility and ROI analysis. Select the tools, language, and framework. Build framework and usable utilities. Create a proof of concept with 2 to 3 key scenarios. Develop prioritized regression automation, integrate CI and CD and reporting, execute, analyze failures, and maintain the script. Deliver documentation and knowledge transfer. Automation tool and framework selections. First of all, we need to understand what application technology it is, like web technology or mobile or desktop or API. After that, which browser and operating system support and cross browser requirements. Also need to check the programming language and the team skill sets. Okay. Application complexity and the locator stability, CI and CD parallel execution support, reporting, logging, and debugging capabilities, cost and licensing, community support, and scalability, maintain effort and expected ROI. When would XPath not be used? Prefer stable, unique IDs when available. Use name or CSS when they are simpler and reliable. Avoid very long or fragile XPath expressions. Avoid relying on frequently changing DOM hierarchy. XPath is useful when relationship, text, or dynamic elements must be identified. Typical preference stable ID, name, CSS, XPath depending on the application. After that, what are the Selenium locators? So ID, name, class name, tag name, link test, CSS selector, and XPath. ID will be the first choice when unique and stable. Name will be useful when unique and stable. Class name when class uniquely identifies the element. So tag name is useful for groups of element. Link test or partial link test is for links. CSS selector for concise and powerful for many selectors. Expert dynamic elements and parent or child or sibling relationship. CSS locator Chrome versus Firefox. Yes. The same selector locator generally works across Chrome and Firefox. CSS selectors are not Chrome specific. The DOM and attributes must be equivalent. Browser specific DOM differences can still cause failures. Example driver.find element by CSS selector hash username. What is static method in automation? Static method belongs to the class rather than object. It can be called without creating an instance. Good use cases data type string, file, configuration, conversion utilities. Avoid making WebDriver or page objects unnecessary static. Excessive static usage can create issues with the parallel execution and maintainability. Login page automation estimation. First of all, we have to clarify the scope before estimating. Simple login, you have to enter username, enter password, login, then validation and logout. So manual analysis design like 1 to 2 hours, framework and setup 2 to 4 hours, automation development 3 to 5 hours, debugging and cross-browser execution 2 to 3 hours, reporting and documentation 1 hour, overall approximately 1 to 2 day working days when framework ready. Okay. Keyword driven framework benefits. It represents actions using reusable keywords such as open browser and click login, reduces code duplication, improves usability and maintainability, separates test data from implementation. Common actions can be updated centrally, can be easier for non programmers to understand, scales when keywords are designed consistently. What is abstract class? Abstract class is declared using abstract keyword. It contains abstract and concrete methods. It can contain variables, constructor and static method. An abstract class cannot be instantiated directly. Example, base object is equal to new login page is valid if login extends base page. Abstract class in automation, commonly used for the base test or base page, store common WebDriver setup or cleanup and reusable behavior. Child classes inherit common implementation. Abstract methods can force child classes to implement specific behavior, useful when common implementation plus required customization is needed. What is Page Factory? Purpose and drawbacks. Page Factory used traditionally with the page object model and find by annotation. It provides cleaner page classes and centralized element definition. It reduces the repetitive find element code. Drawbacks are dynamic elements can be harder to manage, stale elements may still occur, and debugging can be less transparent. Page Factory is not mandatory. Modern frameworks use by locators directly. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly prepare well and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.